In this video, we hope to show you how to create a new web application in Java, including the basic principle in designing and some useful skills in coding. We will introduce the whole process of how we implement what we learned from the lecture in the assignment 2, from the web page of the front end to programming structure to backend. Firstly, we start from the database section. In this section, we will show you all the tables we use in this assignment. First table is admin table, which stores admin name and admin administrator password. Second table is the book table. This table stores all information of the books, such as book name, title, and all that. What's more, the image address is also stored in this table. And next, we have card table. This table will store the user ID and book ID. And next, we have two tables relative with the graph part. First table is entity table. Second table is relation table. Relation table is used to store all the information of books, publication, and authors. You can see we have subject, predicate, and object. And next, we have cell table. In this table, we store the user information and book ID. The new book ID is automatically generated by the system. And next, we have user table, which store all the user's information, such as password, email, and last name, first name, etc. Especially, the password is encrypted. This is one feature of our system. And next, we have user activity table, which stores the user's activity of bought and added but removed actions. Last one is wish list table. Now we focus on the main section of the assignment, user activity. Firstly, let us register a new user. We can see there are several items for user to fill with. After filling all the columns with right format information, then the user can press add and a confirmation letter will be sent to the user's email. Right now, let's check the confirmation letter. You can see in my Gmail, I received a new letter, which is called activating. Unless you click the link attached in email, or you will not activate your user account. Right now, we have logged in with a new user. Now we successfully accessed into the search page. The above part is an advanced search bar, and the following part is a table of 10 random books. You can click on the title of the book and a page of specific information will pop up. Let's find the book. We set the publication as book and set the year between 2000 and 2004. Then we set the title with web. And now we have 4 pages result of which book's title, including the keyword of web. We randomly click on title and we can see a table of books information is displayed. And then we added the book to the shopping cart. And now we find another book and add to the shopping cart again. Right now, we click on buy now and we can see the total price. And right now we confirm to buy. The shopping cart is empty now. Then we can do the same thing to add books into our wish list. Right now, research book is called Web Application, and we can see the result. And we add them to our wish list. The logic and operations are exactly the same with the shopping cart. Next, we came to the edit part. Firstly, log in and getting the personal info page. Then user can modify all the information except the username. Right now we change first name to David, last name to Beckham, and finish editing. Let's see the selling part. After login, your user can press sell, and he can sell. So you can see all the selling books published by himself and manage those books. Now we sell a new book. After typing all the basic information and select the cover, easy to preview the cover. Then we can publish the book. Now let's move to the administration section. After logging as an administrator, we can see a page with 3 search bars. For books, user activity, and user. After typing in the title, we can get a list of books, and then administrator can easily set the book to unavailable status or recover it. As for the user activity, search result will display a table of user actions. There are 2 options, bought and added to cart but removed. When you click on the book ID, you can see the specific information of the books. Finally, admins can search a user or get a list of all users and manage their account, like ban the account or recover the account. Graph section is the last section. In this part, we will generate a graph to display the relation between the keywords and the articles. Users can use zoom in and zoom out. It is quite clear and straightforward.